everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw a Valentine's card. All right, let's get started. Let's start with the envelope. Now I'm going to draw a big rectangle on my paper. Next, let's draw our card popping out of the envelope. So I'm going to start right here on the top, and I'm going to go in just a little bit. I'm going to draw a short line going up. Now let's draw a line going across, and we're going to angle it up just a little bit. And then draw a line straight down. Okay, now we're going to draw the top of the envelope, which is like a big triangle. So I'm going to start here on the top left side of our envelope, and we're going to draw an angled line that connects to our card. And then I'm going to pick up my pencil, draw an imaginary line here, and put my pencil back down. Now let's go up and back down. Pick up my pencil and continue my line to meet that corner. Perfect. And I'm going to draw a little extra detail, just some little lines going around the top of the envelope. And now you can decorate your card and envelope any way that you want. I think I'm going to put a big heart on my card, and the heart is going to be kind of tucked away behind the envelope like that. And then I'm going to draw a face. So I'm going to start with the eyes, and it's like an upside down U shape. And then little eyelashes. And eyelashes on the other side. Next, I'm going to draw the mouth. So I'm going to start here below the eye and draw a line across. And then a big U shape underneath. And then draw a little tongue. We can draw a curved line on the inside of that. Now I'm going to jump over to the left and draw a little circle for dimples. One on the right. And then I think I'm going to add some hearts around my envelope. Heart there. Put a heart here. And let's do a little heart at the top. All right, I think that looks great. Now let's color. Our Valentine's looks great. Now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.